Here, I'll show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts at the same time in your Samsung Galaxy A16 device. First of all, we have to install WhatsApp app. So go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for WhatsApp. And all you have to need, install the WhatsApp Messenger app in your phone. Once the app installed, open the WhatsApp app and go ahead and add your first account in this WhatsApp app. Now it's time to add our second WhatsApp account, right? To do that, go to your phone settings. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Here, tap on dual messenger. Now, under available apps, here you will find WhatsApp app. Now, we are going to duplicate our WhatsApp app. So just enable WhatsApp from here. And here we can see install a second copy of WhatsApp. You will be able to sign into another WhatsApp account in the second copy of the app. Just tap on install. Once the second copy installed, go back to your app screen. And now here you will find your second or copy WhatsApp app. Just open the second copy and go ahead and add here your another WhatsApp account. That's how you'll be able to use two different WhatsApp accounts in your phone. Thanks for watching.